1. The portion of nephron which is relatively impermeable to water is 1 collecting tubule, 2 ascending limb of loop of Henle, 3 distal tubule form Alpine corpuscle, 2. Which of the following cycles in the liver is mainly responsible for the synthesis of urea? 1 citrulline cycle, 2 Krebs cycle, 3 Cori cycle, 4 ornithine cycle, 3. At which stage of ornithine cycle arginase is used? 1 arginine to ornithine conversion, 2 ornithine to citrulline conversion, 3 fumaric acid to arginine conversion, 4 glycolysis to urea conversion, 4. Which one of the following pair of waste substances is removed from blood in ornithine cycle? 1 CO2 and urea to ammonia and urea, 3 CO2 and ammonia, 4 urea and sodium salt, 5. Which of the following is not a part of juxtaglomerular apparatus? 1 juxtaglomerular cells, 2 Lassis cell, 3 interstitial fibroblast, 4 macula densa, 6. What causes the liquid part of the blood to filter out from the glomerulus into the renal tubule? 1 metastasis, 2 high hydrostatic pressure, 3 diapetesis, 4 dialysis, 7. Which one of the following substances is actively secreted into the glomerular filtrate of the kidney tubule? 1 potassium ions, 2 amino acids, 3 sodium ions, 4 chloride ions, 8. Example of zero-threshold substance is 1 glucose, 2 hippuric acid, 3 urea, 4 liters amino acids, 9. Due to insufficient filtration in the Bowman's capsule, all are likely to happen except 1 accumulation of fluid in the body, 2 increase in blood pressure, 3 increase in blood urea level, 4 loss of glucose through urine, 10. Percentage of juxtaglomerular nephrons is 1 10 15 2 35 43 54 85 90.
Dear students, if you ever feel that we are adding any value to your learning, then please subscribe to our channel and press the like button for the individual videos. This will encourage us to post more quality content in future. So here are your answers for today's questions.
Answer of question number 1 is 2. Answer of question number 2 is 4. Answer of question number 3 is 1. Answer of question number 4 is 3. Answer of question number 5 is 3. Answer of question number 6 is 2. Answer of question number 7 is 1. Answer of question number 8 is 2. Answer of question number 9 is 4. Answer of question number 10 is 1. Thank you all.